Robert Kiyosaki has a definition of business. Pag nagsari-sari store na ba ako, negosyante na ba ako? Hindi. Ang definition niya in a business is dalawa, sabi niya, no? Unang-una, dapat meron kang tinatawag na at least 100 employees or 100 people under you. Where is working for your business? It could be your downlines, kung networking pa to. It could be your advisors, is financial agency to. It could be your employees if you're a traditional business. And number two, sabi niya, kailangan meron kang system na kahit mawala ka ng 2 to 3 years, tatakbo yung negosyo. Sometimes, a lot of people are thinking na nasa traditional business ako, may hardware ako, I'm already in the business. But they didn't know, they're still self-employed. Sila yung slave ng business nila. Hindi siya totoong business. And what you need to become financially successful is to really be here. And once you make money, where you put your money? You put it here. And once you made money, where you will put it? You put it again here. Kaya, the rich is getting richer,